So I think I've had two. The first one was when I hit 300 pounds. I just is like, what the fuck am I doing with my life? I can't do this anymore. And I think you had a similar one, right?
Yeah, mine was I was trying to wipe my ass, and it was like I was fucking out of breath, just fucking mid reach, dude. Like I'm fucking turning like this, and my body's running out of oxygen. It was so bad, and you know, like I'm gonna paint a picture for you guys. I was, I'm
Please
too.
don't.
I'm fucking. I'm 290 right now. I was 305, and I'm fucking reaching back to wipe my ass. And like I said, I'm exhausted halfway through. Not halfway through wiping, but halfway through just going back there.